If your Instagram Explore page is filled with content you're no longer interested in, don't worry. You can actually reset it and train the algorithm again. Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Suggested Content. Here, you can manage your interests and remove topics you no longer want to see. This helps Instagram understand what you're not into anymore. Next, go back and tap on Sensitive Content Control. Set this to less if you want to reduce unwanted or random posts showing up in your Explore page. Now, one of the most important steps, use the Not Interested option. Go to your Explore page, tap on any post you don't like, hit the three dots, and select Not Interested. The more you do this, the faster Instagram learns your preferences. Another helpful step is clearing your search history. Go to the Search tab, tap into the search bar, and tap Clear All next to your recent searches. This removes old data that might be affecting your Explore feed. Finally, you can also review your past likes. Go to your profile, tap the menu, then your activity, and find your likes. If you've liked content you're no longer interested in, you can unlike it to further reset your recommendations. And that's it. If you follow these steps, your Instagram Explore page will gradually refresh and start showing content that actually matches your interests.